Last week I did a video on our brand new EVO travel trailers on the biggest one we have, but let's do one on the smallest. It's a 157 FBCE single axle no slide travel trailer. Let's go give it a tour. Well, hello and welcome back to RV Walkthroughs. My name's Taylor Quayle, and today we get a look at another brand new EVO travel trailer. But we're gonna look at the smallest one on our lot. It is a T157 FBCE. It's about 19 foot overall. I think it was about 4,400 pounds loaded. I'll get you all the info. I'll put it on the screen so you know. But we're gonna give it a quick exterior tour, and then we'll jump inside and see what that has to offer. So let's actually start up front in the storage. Not a pass-through storage, but a pretty decent size. You can see a couple of those little struts that you can get there from under the bed, and it does have a nice magnetic clip. Now it is a metal sided, as you can tell. Let's let this truck pass. Do have a pretty good size awning, pretty much a full body awning because they can't put it on the curb. It is electric. It does have adjustable pitch arms. It does have an LED strip under there. Very nice. You got a single 20-pound tank. Got a manual jack up front. Then we got a battery disconnect down there that comes standard. We will be putting on a battery, single battery right there. Solar connection right here. You can add up to 400 amps, or I'm sorry, 400 watts right there. And then a lot of these did come standard with a panel up top, a 200 watt panel. Here is the driver's side. 4742 in terms of GVWR, 1735 in terms of your cargo carrying capacity. Couple windows over here. You got a vent for the stove top, fresh water winterization, city water tank flush, tire size 225 wow, can't read, 225 75 R15s, and these are dated middle of 2023. 30 amp power cord, dump station, your DSS, coax, 4 stab jacks right there. They're all manual stabs. You also got a sewer hose storage right behind there. Always fun to take off and try to put on with one hand. In the back, I'm gonna try to stay out of the sun. We do have a backup camera, and you can buy a ladder to hook up there. I think they run $250 to $350, somewhere in that range, to just hook it on there. Be a little tough storing it though. I'm pretty sure it is a fold up if I'm not mistaken. Spare tire comes standard. 60K BTU tankless water heater. Definitely don't worry about cold water after someone takes a shower. Here's a quick shot of the passenger side. As you can see, it does have the more ride step above entry steps. Love those things. 2 speakers outside, lower because it travels only to about right here. From what the rep told me, they used to put the speakers up top, but one of the customers complained that his neighbor was hearing all his music he was playing, so they actually decided to put them down low standard. Propane connection, drain outlet, and that's honestly about it outside. That was pretty quick. So now let's jump inside and see what that has to offer. So these steps, I'll show you how these work. You do have to open the door as much as possible so they don't hit. And then all you do is lift up, push them in, they catch on this blue latch, and they stay in position while you're traveling. These legs are fully adjustable. You just pull them out or push them in, and then to get it back out, pull the blue, and then catch it as it falls. What that say for max weight? 500-pound max weight capacity. Very nice steps. Do also have a screen door with the cover. Now, right when we walk in, you see pretty much everything minus the bathroom. You're greeted with the kitchen, 12-volt fridge, high point microwave, some pantry storage. See a little fireplace down below right in front of the jackknife sofa. You got in between a full and a queen. I got the size printed out. Some storage up there, non-ducted ACU, direct out of unit. And then you got a closet back there. And of course, bathroom right there. So let's actually head back to the closet and look at that. It's not bad for the size of the trailer and gives you an extra little cubby down here. There's nothing below that. You also have your awning control, light control, water pump, level testers, and your AM/FM radio. Smoke detectors in here right above the entry door. You do have a door to get into the bathroom. They call that a bathtub. I don't know, maybe for a kid. Does have a skylight there, so if you're a little bit taller, you might be able to fit Dometic corner toilet, plenty of room in front of it. Towel rack. It does have a 12-volt fan in here. Oh, there it is. And then the jackknife sofa does turn into a sleeper. These are just little roller cushions you can easily remove, lift up, pull out. You do have some storage under there too. Overhead compartment, nice big. Doesn't have a stay, so it just kind of falls if you don't hold it, but good storage. Roller shades, you only got 2 roller shades, but 2 roller shades throughout. Reveal that nice big window. On the other side, you got your breaker box down below. The Everchill. They ship these things with all the paperwork and stands and everything in the fridge, which is a little different, but then of course your freezer, not massive. I'll double check on the size of this thing and put it on screen. Pantry, actually pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves for the pantry. The kitchen does have like this little cover. It doesn't sit anywhere, it just rests directly on top. I keep these in here to keep moisture out, but there's your sink. Move this back over here. You have a 2-burner Greystone stove top. It's still gas, which is nice. Has a nice little ambiance with that light. Up above, fan and light, or fan, or light only, I should say. Storage above, pretty standard over here. Almost looks like there'd be storage under there. There is not. It is solid. You have this little cubby up here. Wired for solar. You can put a solar controller right there. The other window is actually your emergency exit. And you can see you got 110s, USB, USB-C. And that's, oh, you got another emergency exit right there. I didn't know both windows were emergency. The fireplaces that come standard can just be for the ambiance, or you can actually put out heat or just have them off. But I think it's kind of cool. A little bit more storage down there. And guys, that's pretty much it. That's the walkthrough. It's a small trailer, doesn't take too long. Technically, we got sleeping for, they're going to say up to 4. If you could fit 2 adults here, maybe. Definitely 2 on the main queen sleeping area. MSRP suggested retail is $22,508. Oh, and 50 cents, of course. And you can see there's not many options. You really, 4.5 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. So there you go. That's a 30-pound, not a 20-pound. 20-pound bottle, single 30-pound bottle. $43 for that. $645 for the fridge. Regardless, $22,508. But our selling price is just under $21,000. 19-foot 6-inch overall length. And then there's some of the other specs in the floor plan. That's all I could find online in terms of specifications for this trailer. But we'll give you guys one more shot from the outside. If you have any questions on any of these brand new EVO travel trailers, do not hesitate to reach out. My phone number with that you can text will be on screen, and of course my email. Please reach out and let me know how I can help. And comment down below what you liked about the video or what you did not like about this EVO travel trailer. Thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day.